Lampang ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla Thomas Isangma nen kesi ula lumbi ke jing lang jong ka high power committee. Ban Khmih Bniah ya ke jing pentelun ki kam ki jama ke bede ke jing pentre ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ Bathymmai ha Mawd diang. Habakren hadin ke jing lang lampang ula ong ba ka thong balabu pendep ya ke ying mala Bathymmai jong ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ la penjlan. Haringkat ke jing temu ban plie ka ya ka haswa jong ke dorbai senrai jong usnam arhajar arpusan. Kajing slam hakabede pat kani la ban ong ba kade namar kajing long kelan bat jing long kerpang jong kajing wandur katunu pelun ka badon kam kajing long Bniah bat pikir ha kadukom trekam.
Has been designed is there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country, so we are going very slow, we are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted, so we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very new structure design for us, so we are going little slowly.